Mitai Pangal Council Manipur MPCM gi chatna kanglon wangmada thabak torambadagi SM Riyajuddin Shah amasung Sangomsumbam Kamal Allies Romeo organization dagi tanthokle hairi MPCM gi president Haji Arafat Alina chair loduna executive members singi emergency meeting ama pangthoklaba matungda organization asigi constitution violate tawba thabak thoram kaya torambadagi makhoi ani organization asidagi matam kaktana tanthokpui warep asi lawrakpani haina media da thadorokpa jerol asida hairi
ngasi emergency executive member goiba ai samak president amadi koi VP amadi general secretary amadi koi secretary anti drug cell finance secretary some other koi executive members singapore koi ware pama tare haiba ware padidi the meeting discussed on the grievous misconduct committed by SM Riyajuddin. Number 2 serial Sangomsumbam Kamal Allies Romeo. The meeting after thorough discussion observed the act committed by the SM Riyaz and Sangomsumbam Kamal Allies Romeo had violated the constitution of MPCM and their activities was committed for their personal interest and not related with MPCM. MPCM ko mari leinaba thaba amata nate makoina masa masagi personal nana interest ta mingondagi sen khaiba mingondagi paisa lauba khotpagi thabak asigumba nattaba akoi organization ki constitution ki wangmada tawrakpa asigumba organization ki habi indaba discipline se ngaktaba akoi discipline khara akoi leijeriba RR da leiriba adugi kanglon na duchana pathap ngak tabtagi ngasi MPCM ki magi digi makoi anibu the meeting resolved to expel SM Riyaz and Sangomsumbam Kamal Allies Romeo for violating the constitution of MPCM and acting against the organization by using the same MPCM with immediate effect. Nasi dagi hauna makoi MPCM da makhata na thabak tawraroi hair MPCM amadi organization asigi Mitai Pangal Council ki ming da kanagumba makoi anina sengkhai tungkai tawramba mingon da paisa loramba natraga letterhead natraga any individual matter decision haba taragadi madu Praja Singh na koi MPCM ki any leiriba koi general secretary amadi VP finance secretary drug secretary leiriba singita koi report tobu or ai isamuk as a president makta adar magadu thaja biranu hairiba miyo any se misconduct tobugi damakta MPCM dagi makoi matam puna maki tanto ai haibo famasi Manipur gi koi CSO sing amadi local club sing amadi public general sing da koi information pi jaboina koi miyam da highlight tawjari